Here are 7 ways that Uber and Lyft drivers can make more money. I'll leave all the links below for every single one of these ways. All right, so the first way is through Sweatcoin. A lot of you guys have heard of Sweatcoin, but they're actually paying drivers to go on walks. So after every couple of rides, start going on a little 5-10 minute walk. And when you're driving all day long, you're gonna wanna walk more and get paid to do it. So download Sweatcoin with our link below. And the next one is called Survey Junkie. We also have a link below to this one. You can get paid surveys while you're waiting for your next ride. Fill out a couple surveys, earn a few extra bucks. You ain't gonna get rich, but you will get paid. And the next one's called Play Octopus. Play Octopus is an app that sends you a tablet to put in the back of your car headrest, and your passengers play these little games and they show these little Red Bull ads. And you as a driver can make up to $100 extra per month. So link below for Play Octopus. And Solo is the next one. It's the business app for gig workers. And for this one, when you sign up, they're actually just gonna give you $10 for sign up for free because they really wanna get a lot of you new users. But this one helps you track your expenses. But not only that, they have a guaranteed pay feature for when you go out and drive. You can get $38 in a single hour doing Uber, 37 for Instacart, or 38 for DoorDash. The next one's called Strive. They pay you to play music in your car. And the next one's called Current. They pay you 4% APY on your money, and you can also get paid 2 days faster. Link below for Current. And the very last one is called YouTube. If you've ever considered making videos about driving for Uber, you can get paid money. How? By talking about your experience. Have you ever heard of Steph On The Pedal, Eddie Doyle, the Rideshare Guy, the Rideshare Hustle, Parsha Kretsch, Maximum Strength? All of these people, when they upload videos, they get paid money. So many people are typing in, how much money can you make as an Uber driver? So if you're willing to talk about your driver pay, you can also make money as a YouTuber. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome, and check out the links below to start earning money. Bye now.